All right, everybody, we are heading to Utah, and there are two major things that are going to be different with this event than any other one that I've done so far. One of them I can talk about now. The other one I can't talk about until we get there. It's not really finalized yet. Cool. Later, but I think you guys got us in there. Also, this is my office, so if you want me to do a video about this, I actually recorded a whole bunch of info about me building it out. But anyways, so the one thing I can talk about is during a podcast with Travis Reeder, we made a joke about me doing an interview while he was driving. Well, next thing I know, powers that be at FD saw it and said, yeah, that's a good idea, you should do that. So that's happening. The second thing, yeah, I can't talk about it until I'm kind of there and everything's going, but I want to take you along for the ride. So I got to finish getting packed. It is the night before, and then get up early in the morning, and we fly to Utah. All right, made it. I got like 5 minutes to spare, but I think I'm gonna make it. Okay, after a hectic day, made it to Utah. Absolutely beautiful track. So now I get to go find Travis Reeder and figure out how we're gonna do this, because I need to be able to get into his car, I need to get all the race gear, and need to rig up cameras, need to rig up mics. There's a lot to do. So, and practice is just about to start. Okay, so I'm now in the hot pits. Just I chatted with Travis quickly, if you can hear me. Everybody's lined up over there, and then start line is behind me. So I'm gonna chat with them, and then we'll get everything set up and hopefully do my ride along soon.
I wasn't ready. Out of here.
He's a little skinnier than I am, so this is interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully that fits.
We're gonna find out real quick, aren't we?
Yeah, dude. So,
All right.
don't worry, I won't stare too much.
I might have to remove some clothes to put these on.
That's fine.
We got a little wild here. We had to save the Type S booth. This is Gage, by the way. He's the one who's gonna edit this video. He doesn't know it yet, though.
Oh, I knew. Anytime he pulls out the camera, I know I'm ended.
Yeah. So I don't even know how to keep the wind noise out of this, but it's really windy. Okay, we're at the Airbnb now. Did my test ride with Travis, and it was absolutely sick. Couple cool things. I picked up a Instago 3, there it is, for the weekend to test out. I've got a couple ideas. And then finally, there it is, picked up a Nomadic messenger bag. Wanted one for a really long time. Picked up a lens filter case. They have a deal on. I don't know if the deal will still be on, but it was like they're scratching down to 50%. So yeah, now we're gonna have dinner with the boys and hang out for a bit.
Don't rush these things.
Fine.
This one's less heavy. I don't want it. It's weedy. I don't like it.
Did you? Morning, Andy. Okay, we're here at Utah. Andy drove us. What does that shirt mean?
Read it backwards.
Summit Dab? Okay. Anyways, I haven't talked about it yet, but I don't want to talk about it actually until it's all good to go. But I've got a meeting coming up here with Ryan Sage about some work that's going to happen today, and I'll let you guys know. But it is absolutely stunning here. Everywhere you look is just fucking beautiful. So Gage and Andy have to go to their media meeting. I don't have to do that anymore, thankfully, because it's 7 a.m. But they're going to do that, and yeah, I'm going to I'll keep you in the loop. We're doing this. All right, so this is actually, I am testing out the Insta360 Go 3 this weekend. I'm also staring directly into the sun. We both got our squints on.
I feel like Zach Galifianakis in Hangover.
Hopefully this is some indication to what the big surprise is for this weekend. So I get to announce the SOPA for Pro Spec qualifying, which is so sick.
I'm glad.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're excited. I'm nervous as hell.
You'll be fine.
I'll tell you, the first time when they had me announced for Super Drift, my stomach was so knotted, and then Jerry got me a big beer.
Oh.
And they didn't go too well.
Oh,
like,
no.
The nerves, like, it was so bad. The cramp. I thought I was in my like third trimester.
Hi. How's your boy doing?
I don't know, he isn't on yet.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I get So whenever I do like the little blurbs in there when I get to like go up, Sage tells me ahead of time. And then he's like, yeah, just wait over there and we'll let you know when. So I have no idea. So I'm just sitting there in anticipation. And then he walks over and like taps me on the shoulder. He's like, hey, you got to go now. So I have like no prep time. It's like just everything to get my heart to calm down before to going in.
But it's just like seat time and drifting. The more you do it, the less nervous you get. Especially now we're in the fourth round. In my fourth time doing the pro spec announcement. Analyst, whatever you want to call it.
The analyst?
Yeah, that's
the analyst.
It's definitely become a lot more chill and easier.
No, this will be sick. I'm pretty pumped. So see how we do. Hopefully, don't say anything dumb.
Yeah, just don't swear.
Just don't swear. All the spotters. Are you ready? We're doing it live. We're doing it live. We're going live. But this is what we get to see. It's still stunning. It's pretty. Top secret notes. Yeah. I have to hold it like up here so that kind of, if I angle it, we're the same height. Yeah. All right. Sopa and I are done.
Wrap it up.
That was good. It was so much fun though. The ice cream talk. I want ice cream now though. So bad.
What we got to get into is the Tillamook.
What's Tillamook?
That's the brand.
Oh, I gotta get you Kawartha Dairy then. That's the Canadian one.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, do you want to do an ice cream exchange?
Sure.
I don't know how we're gonna transport it, but I'm not gonna tell you that. Yeah, I was gonna say, we're not gonna be going to the bathroom.
No tandems.
No tandem bathrooms. All right. Now it's time for lunch. Now that part is done, got a new hat. My old one is getting real saggy. But yeah, pretty pumped on how everything went. If you guys were watching or commenting in the chat, thank you. But it was a good time. All right, to add to all the fun, I actually have to go and run and grab some stuff for a client of ours while I'm out here. So yeah, the actual commentating for Pro Spec went awesome. Loved working with Sopa. Tons and tons of fun. Hopefully you guys got to see it and enjoyed it. And now I actually got a text from Sage that he may want me to jump in and help it with Pro. So yeah, that was not in the cards. That wasn't anything we discussed, but I'm super happy to get the opportunity. So shall see if that all comes to fruition. I mean, if it's still in the video, it did, because I'd cut it out if it didn't. So holy shit, what a weekend. What a weekend. Okay, just finished up doing 2 podcasts so far. So I got Rudy Hansen under my belt, Jeff Donati. He's a guy I've known for a while. Sorry about the noise. We'll see how the noise canceling is on this Go 3. And yeah, I just got the tap that I'm heading up to the booth again for Pro. So see what happened. I'm not gonna lie, Pro Spec was a good warm-up. I am kind of nervous about Pro. So it'll be Jared and I, it looks like. I'm a little nervous, but just like any other event, I'm gonna do my absolute best and see what happens. All right, I did it. I survived. I did the commentary for Pro qualifying. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not an emotional guy, but I'm a little emotional. Going from being a super fan, you know, for the last 10 years to then being able to kind of climb up through the ranks and do all this stuff, it is crazy. I don't want to get all preachy or anything like that. I just holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah, I know it just seems like kind of going up there and talking, but that is an experience I will never forget. If I never get to do it again, I will still be happy. Would I love to keep doing it? 100%. And anybody that was commenting or in the chats or anything was supportive, that means so much, because I admittedly was very, very self-conscious about all of it. Weird little aside, I bit my tongue and my cheek super hard earlier today, so really swollen, and I was almost not going to do it because of that. I'm happy. I know it sounds weird to say like I fought through that or whatever, but holy shit. So now back to the Airbnb. Got some more work to do. We got to catch up on stuff, but what a day. All right, coffee boys. Coffee. This is like, what is this, Brew Monkey? This is like a cool little shop. We got, I don't want to film them because I feel like it'd be weird, but like, there's a whole group of older men, experienced gentlemen at like, that are just hanging out in the morning, and you walk in, they're like, hey, good morning, how are you? I've had a great day. Made Steven's day.
It was the best.
It's good. It's nice to start your day that way.
It's a great day to be a Steven.
It's always a good day to be a Steven.
You're not wrong.
So I gotta head out to Hot Pits to go record with some pro spec guys. But one of the coolest things is that heading out to Hot Pits is you get to drive the track. So cool. It's so neat. I know it's such a weird thing, but love it. Love to get to do this. All right, finished up. Hopefully you can hear this recording with all the drivers. And now I get to roughly edit this, get this off to our audio editor so he can start making it sound good so we can get this done in time for a Tuesday upload and a Wednesday release. Whew, lots of fun. And prospects going on, so I'm watching that at the same time. All right. I'm up at the podium, chatting with everybody. Cole absolutely crushed it. Look at he's killing it. I know, you have no idea what to do. What do I do with my hands? No, Greg actually told me at the beginning of the season that Cole was going to crush it this year, and it's 100% true. So
I was able to watch him in Pro-Am, and he came up through the ranks of Pro-Am. It's the first time I ever saw him, and immediately I knew, I was like, I need this guy to be a driver. I came to you, I said, this kid chases. I've never seen a guy chase like this before. His core, phenomenal. His team, one of the best. But his runs, he's a chase monster.
You're so quiet in person, though. No, dude, you absolutely crushed it. I can't wait to see. We'll get you a Eurofighter. We'll get you a Eurofighter.
He heard that. He heard
Okay, it is competition day here for Pro. Pro spec last night, that was wild. Great to see Ben Hobson up on the box and winning. Really stoked for Andy Heatley just because I've known the guy for so long. It's cool to see him now second overall in points. We recorded the podcast and he did talk about joining Pro, so should be good. I'm gonna head out to the FD area. Got a couple of meetings and some discussions. Maybe grab some breakfast. Drank coffee from that Monkey Brewing. Yeah, let's see how the day goes. All right, top 32 is gonna be starting here in a minute. Looks like I got the tap to be jumping back up in the announcer's booth. So for everybody online and everybody in the different forums and groups that said you enjoyed my commentary, thank you, because that is one of the main reasons why I'm getting back up there. FDU was super pumped on it. The staff were super supportive. Drivers, everybody. I know I got a lot of things I want to improve on and do better if this is something I'm going to be doing more often, but for everybody that commented and said they enjoyed my commentary, thank you. That is the reason why I'm going to be up here doing it for top 32, it looks like. So we're going to walk back up to the booth. Just to give you an idea. Wow, okay, we picked an interesting one. So Odie just went off. At this track, if you go 2 wheels off in the dirt and there's any mound, it's gonna absorb your car. It looks like Odie's gonna be okay. Didn't hit the wall. But they're gonna have some work to do. Did you get the shot?
Yeah.
Can I see? Do you mind being on camera?
Oh yeah, you're good.
All right, cool.
So there's the guy in front of him.
Yep.
And then there he is right there.
Damn.
And then I think I got the tire.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, he lost the whole tire off.
Yeah, I got the it's right there.
Damn. Hopefully Odie's all right. He should be, though. She's a little dusty. That's crazy. All it takes 2 tires off. There's a bit of a mound. Going for a ride. So I know Odie's team, they can get it back together, and he'll probably be a little frustrated, but I'm sure he can do it. Whoa.
I mean, here is Jacob getting while the getting's good. Did I say that right?
I like it. No, it's perfect. You landed it.
That's what you wanted. Grantsville, Utah. We are up in the building, the glass box of emotions. Well, we're out in the patio. As we are getting prepared here, also are the spotters of their respective drivers. Jacob, host of the Outer Zone podcast. If you not listened to that and you are a Formula Drift fan, you are missing out. You get.
I feel bad it's not a GoPro, it's a 360. All right, Jared and I just finished up top 32. I didn't get fired.
I have not had any beers. This is for post-event. You said this is the most on-brand thing. I'm half Mexican, so this justifies
Are you really?
the fidelity. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, I learn something every day. All right. Well,
Good job, dude.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank
You did it.
Appreciate it. Made it through.
32, you crushed it. Good times. I'll keep you around.
All right, I appreciate it. I didn't get fired. That was my goal. Not to
Step
get
in my
fired.
office. Get the fuck out.
Chelsea didn't know if it gets the win. Matt Field second, Simon Olsen third. What's crazy is that's the same standings of the actual entire series. So we'll do the math and stuff, but mathematically, Simon Olsen could win a championship. Obviously, so could Matt Field. And I think right now Chelsea just has to make it like top 8. He's pretty much got it, but crazy event. All right, down here, podium. Shouts out, Nate. What's up?
Look at you all fancy.
I know, right? I think Matt's got to go pee. Yeah, he's gone pee.
Yeah, definitely. That's definitely what he would do.
Yeah. Ah, it's so cool. It's like my favorite part. No. All right, that is going to do it here in Utah for Salt Lake City. Insane weekend, obviously. Getting to announce is an absolute dream come true. I don't want to rehash that more, but yeah, let me know if you guys like this content. Let me know if you want more or less of something. Let me know if you are okay with this production quality with the Go 3. It's way easier than carrying around a GH5. But thank you for watching. Hopefully thank you for subscribing if you could. It takes one click, means a lot. And catch you guys on the next one, wherever that is.